The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create object B on plate A-2. So the first thing we need to take a look at here is the length of the object and then its depth. So taking a look at that there, I see it's 4 inches long by 1.5 inches deep, and also note its height, it's 2 1/4. So getting to SketchUp here, we're going to get a rectangle going, and I'm going to type in 4 inches, comma 1.5. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this person there, zoom in a little closer, and now I'm going to use push-pull here to pull that upwards 2.25 inches. Alright, so now we've got a rectangular prism here, and now I'm going to go ahead. There's two features that we have to worry about on this particular object here. We've got this slanted surface right here, and we've got this vertical channel. So let's handle the slanted part here. It's and when we have a diagonal surface here, diagonal lines, we need to know where their endpoints are. So we have one point at 1 inch, at 1/2 inch, and another one at the top of the object is 2 1/4 inches. So what I'm going to do here is go back to my SketchUp drawing. I'm going to take the tape measure tool. I'm going to measure up 0.5 inches. Now with that information there, I'll be able to take my line tool, and I'm going to draw a diagonal from the 1/2 inch mark that I just made all the way up to the corner, the upper right corner of the object. So there's that. Now it's just a simple matter of subtracting that back. Alright, let's get rid of the guideline. We no longer need that. And let's get set up for the channel. So let's take a look at the channel's particulars here. I see that the left side of the channel is 1 3/8 inches from the left edge of the object, and it's 1 inch wide. So I'm going to set up some guidelines again. Going ahead and setting up a guideline here, 1.375 inches from left to right, and then from that guideline over one more additional inch. Alright, using these guidelines as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and create a couple of straight lines in these positions right here using my intersection snap. So once I've done that, then all I have to do is push-pull on this surface here in the center. It's back 0.375, and we know that 0.375 is the decimal equivalent of 3/8. So we see the depth of the channel right there. Alright, so let's clean up some guidelines here. We're going to go ahead and turn on some back edges, edge style back edges, and then we're going to do hidden geometry. Okay, so now this one's ready. Make sure you do a normal save for your SketchUp model, and then export it out as a JPEG. Alright, good luck with your model.